This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker 2400B is a Class C RV. It is located in Pasco, Washington, 99301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Pasco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, outdoor entertainment, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Forest River Sunseeker 2400B is built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.